If you are new to Jira and want to manage projects efficiently, this beginner-friendly guide will help you get started. Jira is a powerful project management tool used to track tasks, bugs, and workflows. Even if you have zero experience, you can follow these steps and start using Jira confidently. To get started, log into your Jira account and open your project. The main area you will work in is the board, which can be a Kanban board or a Scrum board. This is where all your tasks, also called issues, are displayed. Next, create tasks. Click on Create and add details such as title, description, priority, and assignee. Each task represents a piece of work that needs to be completed. You can break large tasks into smaller subtasks for better management. After creating tasks, organize them using workflow statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can move tasks across these columns as work progresses. This helps you track what is happening in your project at any time. You can also assign tasks to team members. This ensures everyone knows their responsibilities. Use comments and mentions to communicate within tasks and keep all discussions in one place. Another important feature is the backlog. The backlog is where you plan and prioritize tasks before moving them to the board. This is especially useful in Scrum projects for sprint planning. You can also use filters and search options to find specific tasks quickly. This saves time and improves efficiency when working on large projects. Jira also provides reports and dashboards to track progress and performance. These insights help you understand how your project is moving and identify any issues early. In short, using Jira involves creating tasks, organizing them on boards, assigning work, tracking progress, and using reports for insights. Now that you understand the basics, start using Jira to manage your projects more effectively and stay organized. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.